What's up, solar OGs? It's your boy, Kevin from Bella Electric. And today, I want to tackle a growing issue in the EV world. Around 30 to 40% of Americans live in multifamily housing, condos, townhomes, and apartments. The challenge is that most of these buildings don't have the electrical infrastructure in their garages to support EV charging, particularly 240 volt circuits that are essential for level 2 charging. In many cases, meters, electric panels are pretty far from people's parking spots, often on different floors or in separate rooms, making it very difficult to install chargers, drywall damage, all kinds of crap. On top of that, many property owners and HOAs are willing to invest in level 2 chargers because realistically, if only 10% of the residents have EVs, it's hard to convince them to spend 20 or 30K on upgrades for such a small group. But here's the thing, guys. This mindset is missing the bigger picture. We've done a ton of these installations, and I can confidently say the maths, yeah. We can install a level 2 charger in a parking lot for around 6K on average. Now imagine we install 4 chargers in guest parking at a multifamily property. If each charger generates around $40 per day, that's net, let's say 2 to 4 users daily, paying for electricity and the convenience of charging, not having to go to the freaking mall. You're looking at around $160 daily from revenue from those 4 chargers. Over a year, that adds up to nearly 60K in revenue. Given that the total install cost for 4 chargers is around 25 grand, you're looking at an ROI of 6 months. Plus, the software that comes with these systems is incredibly smart. We can set up payments via an app, card reader, deposit those monies directly into a bank account of your choosing. We can notify users when their car is fully charged, give them their stated charge, and even charge fees if someone overstays their parking time at the charging station. It's easy, intuitive, and adds real value to the property. So, if you're on an HOA board and facing these challenges, the solution is simpler and more cost-effective than you think. The process, equipment, and software are all designed to make this transition easy. Let's